how about $100 per hour to $200 per hour, or even $5,000 to $6,000 per day, completely passive income where you don't do any kind of work? How does it sound? It definitely sounds exciting. Now in this video, I'm going to share a website URL with you that you can copy and paste it in your browser's address bar, hit enter, and browse that website. You will be connected to more than 1,000 cash or crypto paying websites on multiple niches. This is so exciting because imagine if you can make $1 per day per website, you will make $1,000 per day from all these websites. Now, if you make $10 per day from each of these websites, you will make $10,000 per day from all these websites. Now, this doesn't sound real. Now, how about making $100 per day from 10 of the best websites? That sounds possible. And actually, all the numbers I told you just now are absolutely possible if you focus. Now, the URL I will give you in a moment, and I will also share all the names of the niches, and you will see it on the screen. I will show you step by step how to use this website as the reference point so you can start making money from today. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. All our videos are built to help you make money. So I want you to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts so they also get help about making money online. Who doesn't need money? Everybody does. And if you share this video with your friends and family and your social media contacts, they will love you more for sharing such an awesome information. Now, a website like this can be extremely overwhelming because there are so many informations and so much opportunities. But I will show you how to act smart so you don't waste your time and focus on the most money-making, most entertaining, and most passive income generating techniques. So let's go and share my screen. And I want to highlight one more thing, that there is one technique that I will share in the later part of the video that will actually make you passive income from this website and all the 1,000+ websites related to this site. So let's begin. Affpaying, AFFPAYING.com. This is the website that I was talking about. And if we look at their traffic analytics, they have over 142,000 monthly visitors, and most of the visitors are from US and UK. And let's go to detail of their traffic. I need to show you this so you make the maximum amount of money, as this way you will learn not only how much reliable they are, should you really invest your time on this kind of website or not, and also you will learn how they are making money, which can be extremely passive. So this website has a tiny little parameter. They have 46% bounce rate, which means the remaining traffic, 54% traffic, visit multiple pages of this website. So this is basically a popular website. And that is also why you see 45% people already know about them, and they're the direct traffic. They come to this website, they browse around, they take advantage of them and make money. Now, when a lot of people spend a lot of time on multiple pages of this website, Google take notice, and Google find that this website is actually useful for the users, and that is why they send 42% of their traffic. So what do we learn from this? If we make our website, in case we build our website, or in case we want to clone this website's business model, then we need to focus on one thing, that is customer experience, or viewers or visitors experience, and make it extremely easy for the visitors. This way visitors will bookmark your website, remember the name of the website and the URL, and they come back directly. And when Google will find your website useful and people are loving, enjoying your website, they will send more and more traffic. Also, if you look at their keywords, the keywords that they are getting Google traffic from, one of the top keyword is fpaying. Basically, it's the name of the website. So a lot of people know their name and they search directly on Google and get into this website. So visitors experience, making it easy and nice, is very important to get a lot of organic traffic. Also, one more thing we need to learn from this website is that they have 2.78% email traffic. 2.78% is actually a lot of traffic, and email traffic are very engaging. So these guys send emails to their users. So how do they get emails? Because there is no registration system in this website. Number one, they have some program, ad network or program. When you click here, you have to use your email address to join their program. Another one, there is a subscribe to newsletter section where you put your email and subscribe to get their emails or newsletters. This is something that every smart or big website uses to make real money. Say Google, say YouTube, say Facebook, all these websites will first ask your email or contact so they can contact you back. And that is what you also need to inject or integrate into your business or into your website. Asking for email so you can connect with your audience, build relationship, and then ask them to do whatever they will do. That's how everybody makes money, and you should do it too. In case you hate doing it, there is a link somewhere in the description. This is my software, and this software will help you build email subscribers list by turning PDFs into your opt-in page without you taking the hassle of making opt-in pages. The PDF will automatically turn into a lead magnet, and it will also bring referral traffic 100% free. So that software is totally free. Link in the description, go get it. Okay, now the second thing. Let's go into the website. You see, they have so many categories and all are top categories. E-commerce, dating, incentive, mobile, game, crypto, gambling. You can even go to the affiliate program section and find hundreds of websites that will pay you for using their affiliate network. So here is the answer of which website should you use or focus on. Start with number of reviews and highest rating. So example, among all these websites, these top ones are sponsored and the rest of them don't have much reviews. So if you are just starting out, then you should look for the reviews. Look, this one has 245 reviews. This one has 314 reviews. So look for the number of reviews and the highest rating. 4.97 rating from 187 reviews is a very good number, very promising. But in case you want to try something that has no reviews, then look for the maximum commissions that you are about to make. So example, these rigged affiliates, they pay you through bank wire transfer and other. You should visit their website to know more about it. But 30% to 40% recurring revenue share, because this is what helps you make passive income. There is another passive income system that is missing in this particular website, rigged affiliates, but we should not decide without visiting their website. So this is how the website looks like. Honestly, it looks like a very, very basic website, and I have no idea how much trustworthy they are. But in any case, I'll tell you what, referral commission. Referral commission is something that is the maximum level of passive income. Here is an example, Max Bounty. Max Bounty is a well-known CPA network, very popular, and they pay you through check, PayPal, Wire, Payoneer, etc. But they pay you a referral commission, 5% for 12 months. There are other websites that pay you unlimited. They never stop paying, so you should go for that. Now the question is, if you join these websites and send referral traffic, where will you get traffic from? Very easy. Link in the description. Go get my software. This software will help you get traffic from Pinterest and from YouTube. We do both of this, Pinterest and YouTube, and we get thousands of views and traffic. Because most of these websites are free, so your referred traffic will join those websites for free, and when they use them and make money for free doing simple activities, you will make referral commissions. So to summarize how to use this website to make money or make passive income, First, choose your category. Then from the categories, choose the website that has the maximum ratings and reviews. Then have a look at the website yourself. If you want, go to similarweb.com and check their traffic analytics. More traffic means they are more serious about their business. You should look for how much commissions they're paying, and you should look for how much referral commission they're paying, because this is the most passive income. And then that's it. Visit all these websites. If you want to use them actively and make money, you can do it. Or you can simply send a referral traffic. Your traffic will use those websites and you make money. Simple. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it to make sure you make money online. The easiest way, without technical knowledge, without a website, or without prior investment. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. This way, you inspire us to make more and more videos like this. And also, you will get notified when we will upload our next video. We will give away our softwares, premium softwares, free for our viewers. And don't forget to hit the share button and share this video with your friends and family, as you will be a cool person in front of them. They will love you for sharing this awesome information, and you will all get notified when we will upload our next video, and we will see you in the next video.